grade 8 learner, this is Teacher Nolly. Welcome to our video lesson in Computer Education 2, Quarter 4, Module 1. This video will help you get started with Google Sites. This video is anchored on the most essential learning competency, which is to demonstrate skills in advanced web page development. At the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Define a website. 2. Describe Google Sites. Number 3. Create and name your site. Number 4. Select a layout, background image, header type, and theme. And number 5. Add, reorder, and test pages. Before we proceed, answer the following questions to test your existing knowledge. Write the capital letter of your chosen answer on a piece of paper. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. One. Which of the following is the most encompassing term? A. Website. B. Web page. C. World Wide Web. D. The terminologies are synonymous. If your answer is C, then you are correct. 2. What is Google Sites? A. It requires simple coding. B. It can create a blogging site. C. It can be used after paying a fee. D. All of these. If your answer is B, then you are correct. 3. What can be added to a Google site? A. Links. B. Buttons. C. Photos and videos. D. All of these. If your answer is D, then you are correct. 4. Which appears in the web title bar after you publish the site? A. Page title. B. Site name. C. Site document name. D. None of these. If your answer is B, then you are correct. 5. Which is true about the background image of headers? A. Can be changed. B. Can be removed. C. Is limited to pre-made options. D. Both A and B. If your answer is D, then you are correct. Imagine entering a library full of books, where you can read in various categories such as academic, entertainment, and fiction. Each of these books contain numerous pages, and each page has different topic. The World Wide Web can be likened to a library, in which books represent the different websites, and the book pages are the web pages. Therefore, we can define website as a collection of web pages and related content. You might think that creating a website is hard, as it may involve codes and programs which can be overwhelming for beginners. If you are interested in creating a simple website of your own, don't worry, because this module will introduce a platform where you can easily build a website. I am talking about Google Sites, a free and easy-to-use website builder. Google Site is a platform that can be used to build a website for free. All you need is a Google or Gmail account and a vision of what site you want to build. Because it's web-based, it can only be accessed through an internet browser. Aside from it's free, building a website on Google Site is easy. This is because you wouldn't need to learn coding to start building. Google Site lets you design your website the way you want it. It follows the WYSIWYG, or the what you see is what you get principle. All the media that you will use to build your site is stored directly into your Google Drive. You can access Google Sites through the link posted on the screen. You may also scan the QR code below. Before anything else, make sure that you have a working Gmail account. When you are already in the Google Sites homepage, you will be prompted to create a new site. To do this, you can click the Create or the plus icon at the top portion of the site's homepage. Or you can also choose from the available templates in the template gallery. After creating a new site, you need to name your site. Google Sites have different parts which you can assign a name to. First is the site document name. This name is only available to the one who created it. When the site is saved or published, this name will be the file name of your site in the Google Drive, so it should be unique. Second is the site name. The site name appears in the header and the web or mobile window title bar after you publish the site or your website. You need to have 2 or more pages on your website for your site name to appear. And the last one is the page title. Each page in your site has a title, which appears at the top of each page. After assigning names to your site, you can now add content to your website. But before that, you need to create sections where you can put your content. To create one, you need to select a layout from the Layouts bar. From the Layouts bar, there are many options where you can choose from, depending on your preference. This is an example of a section. Each section has a unique structure. Choose based on your need. If you want to delete a section, you can do this by clicking the trash icon on the leftmost part of each section. You can also duplicate or edit the section's background, color, and many more. Of course, you can still customize your website. You can change its background image, header type, and font styles, or themes. To change the background image, click the Change Image icon. You have the option to upload your own image, or you can also select an image from the default gallery. If you want to go back to the original background image of your header, click Reset. Aside from the background image of your heading, you can also change the header type. To change the header type, point to the heading of your website and then click Header Type. From there, you can choose between cover, large banner, banner, or title only, depending on your preference. Aside from the background image and header type, you can also choose a different theme for your site. To choose a theme, go to the right portion of the interface and click the Themes bar. From there, you can select a theme depending on your preference. Take note that in each theme, you can also vary its colors and font styles. As of now, we have only one page on our website, which is the one where we are currently working on. This page is also considered as the home page. To create additional pages, go to the right portion of the interface and click the Pages tab. From there, click the plus icon on the bottom part and click New Page to create a new page. You also need to assign a name for each page. As you can see, we have already two pages on our website. First is the home page or the first page, and the second one is the second page or the second page that we have created. When you have multiple pages on your website, you might need to rearrange them. For example, you want to put this About page next to the home page. To change its position, hold and drag the page in the Pages tab. You might also want to put a page under another page. This is called nesting. For example, we want to put the History page under the About page. To nest the History page, hold and drag the History page to the About page. As you can see, as we click the About page, it has options, and the History page is now under it. Aside from reordering and nesting your pages, there are more ways on how to manage your page. On the Pages tab, click on the right side of each page to see the additional options. You can see that you can make some pages your home page. You can also duplicate the page. You can also see its properties. You can also add a sub-page under that page or hide a page from navigation so that no one from your audience can see that specific page. In this video, you have learned the definition of a website, what is Google Sites, how to create and name your sites, how to select a layout, background image, header type, and theme, and lastly, how to add, reorder, and nest pages. Let's test what you have learned. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write the capital letter of your chosen letter on your paper. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. One. What is the difference between a website and a web page? A. Web pages are under a website. B. Websites are under a web page. C. Either A or B. D. None of these. If your answer is A, then you are correct. 2. Which is editable on the sections of a page? A. Photos inserted. B. Videos inserted. C. Background color. D. All of these. If your answer is D, then you are correct. 3. Where is the location of the themes option from a user's perspective? A. Bottom. B. Top center. C. Left corner. D. Right corner. If your answer is D, then you are correct. 4. What does it mean to nest a page? A. To hide a page. B. To make a page a home page. C. To put a page below another page. D. None of these. If your answer is C, then you are correct. 5. Which of the following correctly describes a homepage? A. Appears first on a website. B. Appears last on a website. C. Only appears to the website editor. D. None of these. If your answer is A, then you are correct.
And that's it for our lesson for today. I hope you have learned a lot. See you on our next video. Keep safe.